I get asked this question a lot. Cameron, which coin should I invest my money to? I only have a limited budget. And if I were to tell you the best coin to invest in long term, that's a pretty difficult answer because, like, what is the best coin? You know, there's so many. There's thousands and thousands of new coins every single day coming out. Which ones are the best one to do? Now, that's what we're going to talk about today. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I'm probably the only crypto YouTuber out here on a jet ski in the middle of the lake making a crypto video, right? Nobody really does this. So subscribe. I post here daily. Follow me on Instagram and leave a like on the video, as well as check out my Discord down below. Basically, yesterday we called out a 5x, a 3x, another 2x. We've just been going off in the chat. So if you want to double your money and you don't know what to invest in, this is the perfect place for you. It's discounted right now because I'm raising the price in a couple days. I'm really excited because we've been growing like crazy. I love you guys so much. Everybody in the chat's really awesome, and we all just love making money. So join up and let's get into this video. First, we have our altcoins, right? Altcoins pretty much are the bread and butter right now for a lot of people because that's the easiest way to get a 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. Whereas like Ethereum and stuff like that, you gotta think how long it would take you to get a 2x, right? It's at 2,000 something now. Were it to literally 2x from this point, it would have to get back to all-time high, which could be a minute. That's why altcoins are so goated, is because you can do a 20x, you can do a 30x, you can do a 50x, and just like that. And all you need is just one really good play to really be well off and have a lot of money. So if I were to tell you like a long-term pick or a couple long-term picks, I would say, like, if you didn't want to gamble or anything, a safe route would be probably like Safemoon. Safemoon has 2.5 million holders. It's one of the most well-known cryptos out there. It's the most watched. It's a really big coin, and I do believe, I was having a conversation with my buddy yesterday, I think that one will probably be a coin that might be ending up on Coinbase, you know, maybe later on in the day. You know, I think this could be a really long-term play and could turn into a stable coin. The marketing team knows exactly what they're doing. Safemoon's a good one. Shib's a good one. You guys know what Shib is. It's pretty much like launched alongside Doge. It's a really good coin. Keanu's a very good one. I know you guys love Keanu. There's this new coin, guys, that just came out that I think might just be like one of the best long-term investments coming up. I love the creator. I think everything that he's doing has been amazing so far. He's ran many successful businesses, and he came out with his own coin, and basically it's to buy CBD for people. Now, I never have used CBD, but I have people in my family and friends and everybody, and they absolutely love all his products. And basically he wants to be the CBD pioneer of the world. He wants to be like the biggest of the big, and with this coin he wants everybody that wants to purchase CBD or anything in the future to be able to buy it with crypto and using his coin. So I think that is probably one of my biggest long-term investments right now. I just bought in. It launched yesterday. If you were to ask me which one to invest in, I would say Safemoon, Shib, Keanu, CBD. Pretty much any of those are really good ones. And as for long-term investments in regular stable coins, gotta be Cardano. So hopefully this narrowed it down to a few, and these are my few favorite plays. So I love you all so much. This was just a really useful video I want to get out there for all these new people coming into the channel that don't know what to, you know, spend their money on. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you love daily crypto videos like this on the lake or just wherever I'm going back to LA tomorrow and then going to Vegas. I'm going all over the place. So if you just want to stay up to date and you want to be in the loop with all the crypto news, subscribe, leave a like, follow my Instagram, as well as check out my paid Discord down below. It's literally so awesome. You guys love money, you might as well join. You want to learn how to double your money fast, and you just want it spoon fed to you. That's what we do. So I love you all so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.